Hello everyone, welcome back again to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple medicinal remedy that I use almost every day. I prepare this and drink as my water. I drink this remedy more than even my normal water. That doesn't mean I don't drink normal water. I do drink, but I like drinking this more because I prepare it with water. So today I decided to share with you because it has helped me a lot. So without wasting my time, let's dive right into the video. I may say we have come across these leaves. So with these leaves, on the market, or even our backyard. I think a lot of people know this greens or this vegetable. It has so many nutritious items in it, which is good for our body. So today I'm going to use it to prepare my remedy drink that I used to prepare. And I also have here my orange, my lemon, my ginger, and I have here my cloves. But with the orange, it's optional. But for me, I sometimes use the orange, but not always. And I have here my boiled water. You can choose to do it on fire by putting your saucepan or your pot on fire. Boil your water, then you put the items in. But for me, I want the nutrients in this leaf. It is called rocket leaf. I want it more, so I don't prepare this on the fire direct. I boil my water and I do it. So first, we are going to cut our ginger. With the ginger, it's better you leave the cover. Yes, I don't know how to say the cover. Or you don't peel the ginger, leave it like that because it also helps. So we are going to cut it. Today I will dive a little into my language. Ntiwo akakadru ne botwitwa ne enkakrama moso ya edugu nsunmu a obotum wa konsumu. All that I'm saying is you cut your ginger into smaller pieces so that when you put the hot water on it, you will get all that you want from the ginger quickly. It will absorb quickly. You cut it into small parts. Please, I've already washed all the items. So I'm going to use my bowl. I have my bowl here. And I will take my gloves. I'm not going to use all. And I want to talk about this leaf, this rocket leaf, the nutrient that you can get from this, or the medicinal purposes of this leaf, I'm going to talk about it while I'm preparing it. So now I'm going to take some of the rocket leaves, as you can see. And I'm going to cut my lemon. So what I do is I squeeze the water from the lemon. I'm using only half of this. I'll come again and use this. And I take my orange. But I've already said the orange is optional. That one too, I'm going to squeeze it and bring the water. The rocket leaf is a good vegetable that fights against cancer. That doesn't mean that those who have cancer use these vegetables. No. What I'm trying to say is that whether you have it or not, you can use it. There is a adage that prevention is better than cure. So the earlier you prevent yourself is better than you wait till it happens to you before you come and cure. I'm going to cut the lemon. I'm not taking off. And also add. So as I was saying, it helps to fight cancer. It also have low sugar and calories. It is natural. It has low sugar and calories. So if you are someone who don't like more sugar, you can use it to prepare your stew. You can use it when you are having your pizza. Anything. You can chew it raw like this, as I'm doing now. Your soup, you can use this to prepare your okra soup, okra stew, and so many more. It's really good for the body and also for our children. So you can even blend it and mix it with your children's food. It's really important. I've already said it has low sugar, low calories, carbohydrates, and also fat. So if you want to reduce fat from your body, you can use this leaf. You can wash it well and blend it. And take it once a day or twice a week. It's really good. And it also has so many vital nutrients that helps the body. Some are calcium. That is why I said it helps even with our children. Because with our children, they need calcium as they are growing. It also have vitamin K, vitamin A, potassium, and so many good things that the body needs. So I hope this video will be a benefit for someone, or it will help someone out there. So now I've taken all the ingredients and I'm going to add my hot water. You can also use to prepare your salad, everything. Any way that you want to use this green is allowed. And I will stir so that all the ingredients will mix. You can take it hot if you have cold. Some people say cold, some people also say kata. Whatever. All I'm trying to say is good and it's beneficial. So please try it out with your families. You can even add honey to it. But for me, I'm going to leave it for some time. So now I'm going to check if it's now up to the consistency that I want. Yes. So you can see it's like the same as water. So you can drink this in place of your water. And it will help a lot. Now I'm going to strain. So have you seen the leftover? I'm not going to throw this away. I will still put water on it, but I have to cover it. So if you prepare the first one and so you want to prepare some again, you can keep this in the fridge or you pour it in a container with a lid, then you keep it at a safe place and use it later. So now my remedy drink is ready. I'm going to pour some. So now our medicinal remedy is ready. I've already said you can add your honey, but if you don't have it, like I'm going to do now, I'm going to drink it like this. I don't want adding honey. It's good, so you can try this at home. It will help a lot. It helps you to urinate more. And when you urinate more, you bring out any toxic substances or any toxic things in your body out. So it's really good. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you. See you all in my next video. Bye.